Welcome back to Rediscover Toothy World. Today we're taking you on a full nature immersion through one of Lancashire's most beautiful and unique places, Brockholes Nature Reserve. From ancient woodlands to peaceful wetlands and floating villages, Brockholes offers a stunning landscape teeming with wildlife. Join us as we explore the trails, soak in the spring beauty, and discover why this reserve is truly a hidden gem in the UK. Join me as I set out to explore and uncover the hidden gems of Brockholes Nature Reserve in Lancashire, and see if I can find all the best spots before time runs out. Tucked away in the heart of Lancashire, Brockholes Nature Reserve is a true gem waiting to be discovered. This stunning reserve offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, with its beautiful landscapes and diverse wildlife. As you step foot into Brockholes, you'll be greeted by the sweet songs of birds and the gentle rustling of leaves, setting the tone for an unforgettable adventure. Natural reserves like Brockholes face significant challenges, from climate change to habitat preservation. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems, making it harder for wildlife to thrive. Habitat preservation is also crucial, as human activities like deforestation and urbanization can lead to the loss of vital habitats. It's essential to support these reserves, not just for the sake of the environment, but for future generations to enjoy. By visiting and supporting natural reserves like Brockholes, we can help ensure the conservation of these precious ecosystems. Brockholes offers a wide range of activities for visitors of all ages and interests. Birdwatching enthusiasts can spot a variety of species, from waterfowl to songbirds, while walkers can explore the reserve's scenic trails, taking in the breathtaking views and spotting local wildlife. Educational programs are also available, providing a unique opportunity for children and adults alike to learn about the natural world.
Cheers. Hello.
Hi.
Good trip.
Yeah, we are. Okay, can I record just a few things? Just tell us about this because I'm going to publish in another 2-3 days or entire agenda. So that would be the last stop.
Yeah.
So tell us about this wildlife trust. So what do you do, and how that membership? Just for my wider audience.
Okay.
I've got as I said, rediscovered to the world, the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And I'm going to publish it in YouTube. So just for my wider audience, if they want to be a member of, what do they need to do?
Okay.
And what is this trust all about?
Okay. Yeah.
Just give a brief introduction. Yeah.
So I'm Nick. So I work for Working for Wildlife, who collect funds for Lancashire Wildlife Trust and other wildlife, but Lancashire Wildlife Trust. So the trust looks after about 40 sites across Lancashire and Manchester and North Merseyside, of which Brockholes, which we're at now, is the flagship one, which is very big. I think it's about 100 hectares. So the trust looks after the sites for sort of their habitat and wildlife, and they also support lots of other organisations across Lancashire carrying out projects. If you want to join the trust, you can do it when you see people like me out and about.
Is it an online website?
Or you can go on a website which is called the Lancashire Wildlife Trust, and you can do it that way. Okay. And if you join, you obviously get access to all the sites, but you get free parking, you get a guidebook to all the sites, and you get invited to events.
Can you show the area that your trust covers? The map you've shown.
Oh yes. So the area that the trust covers is this one.
Yeah.
So that's all of Lancashire,
yeah.
Manchester, and it's mainly North Manchester and North Merseyside. And there are 40 sites,
yeah.
but they also help out with a lot of other organisations with their wildlife activities and needs and projects.
Excellent.
Okay.
Okay, recording. लेके भी गया था और हिल के देखते हैं ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा because this looks to me will go back to top. Hi.
Hello.
Well, that would be the beautiful walk and a trekking. So I think we park our car there on that point.
Yeah. It's a beautiful view.
Yeah. So we are going too far, right?
Yeah.
No. See what it's up like here. See this? That's the way.
As you wander through the reserve, you'll discover an incredible array of flora and fauna, showcasing the beauty and biodiversity of this Lancashire gem. One of the most magical experiences at Brockholes is witnessing the stunning sunsets. Imagine standing amidst the tranquil surroundings, watching the sky turn pink and orange as the sun dips below the horizon. Visitors have reported spotting rare wildlife, such as otters and ospreys, adding an extra layer of excitement to their visit. For many, Brockholes has become a haven for relaxation and connection with nature. In summary, Brockholes Nature Reserve is a must-visit destination for anyone who appreciates the beauty of nature. With its diverse landscapes, incredible wildlife, and range of activities, it's the perfect place to unwind and reconnect with the natural world. By supporting reserves like Brockholes, we're helping to protect these precious ecosystems for future generations. And that brings our wonderful journey through Brockholes Nature Reserve to a close. From the vibrant woodlands to the peaceful wetlands, every step offered a fresh connection to nature. If you enjoyed this relaxing tour, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more scenic walks and outdoor adventures. Thanks for exploring with Rediscover Toothy World. See you on the next trail. If you've got a favorite nature reserve, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more travel tips and hidden gems, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. So you would be the instructor here today?
Yeah.